Hey, what's up my young Padawans? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super excited to show you. I've just received my new body kit for my ride. Yeah! And we're gonna unbox it together. And stick around to the end because I've got a little surprise that will literally blow your mind. Spoiler alert. Yeah, I definitely need a new body kit. Sure. Yeah, so here it is. Freaking huge. It's almost as big as my enthusiasm for Jaffa cakes, but not quite. Let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. And that's what I did. I got the knife and I opened up this baby. Now unboxing this reminds me a little bit about how to prepare for a fight. You need precision, a lot of patience, timing, speed, accuracy, and let's be honest, a little bit of luck. I mean, have you seen those guys? Juiced up to the brains on something that's not Jaffa cake juice. They're so juiced and shredded, you could almost call them Army Swift knives. It's just fragile hand over here, and I waited a long time for me to receive this box. And the last thing I want to do is destroy anything that's inside of it. Wow, check this out. We've got the front bumper here. Looks like it's been designed by someone who loves speed, Jaffa cakes, and Fast and Furious films. This thing is slicker than a wrestler with a headlock. And it actually feels a lot more sturdier than my current front bumper. That is, yeah, falling off. And also to complement that wide front, because she's gonna have a big mouth now. And we've got some big side lips. Whatever you call them, over fenders. Two of them, of course. And check out these. These are the side skirts. They're gonna make the car look lower, meaner, more aggressive. Lower than my motivation to do laundry, meaner than the jeans that I'm wearing. That look like they've been in a fight with the washing machine. Speaking of which, these holes in my jeans are not a fashion statement. They're battle scars from my laundry MMA sessions. The next one is I've been through a cage match with a grizzly bear. But don't worry, I always win. We got more pieces to complement the humongous batty that these cars gonna have. I like big butts and I can't lie. What these others can't do, nah. And last but not least, I think this is something else for the big butt that this car's gonna have. So there you have it, my young Padawans. The GT body kit is all unwrapped and ready to go on top of the car. But wait, remember when I mentioned the surprise at the end? Well, here it is. In this huge box, another big box, and this is the spoiler alert. A whopping 47-inch spoiler. What? This thing is gonna be huge, especially with these side pods on the side of it. Like, just look at that. The star of the show, the GT spoiler. This thing is so big, it should have its own postcode. It's gonna make the car look faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush and more stylish than a ninja at a black tie event. That's just foot, boy. But seriously, this GT spoiler is gonna transform the car. It's gonna make it look so epic, so cool. It's the cherry on top of the cake. It is the final boss. It is, well, you get the point. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see all updates of what's happening next. Thanks for watching and may the force be with you. Oh, fast as fuck, boy. Oh, that was a lovely nap.